Hi guys, and this is the implicit golden search method, and this code is a clear the matlab and for the write the code, and this is my equation in a question, and this is a golden ratio, and initial iteration number is a 1, iteration equals to 1, and prompt means in C programming in print, yeah, this is a printf mean, and you see the in command window. If you write the prompt and this section, and then the write the command window. What firstly is the one, and then we will see the please enter the lower initial guess mean, or please enter the higher initial guess. Is this there are a lot of do you see the purple color and prompt mean, and then x1 equal to input prompt lower initial guess input, and this one is that there are a lot of input, and upper initial guess input, and n equal to input and maximum iteration repetition. This one is a initial guess differences for error calculation. This one is a acceptable error margin. That's all. And this one is a number to decide the finding maximum or minimum. For finding maximum, and if a bigger than 0, initialing a maximum algorithm, and then for t equals to 1, and opens a loop that repeats itself and times if conditions not met. This one is a change ratio. This one is a change lower x value formula. X2 equals to x2 minus t is mean change upper x value. F1 equals to fx1 command in the means of the function value for x2, x2 equals to x2. This is a lot of the formula of the golden section method, and function value for x1, and if f1 bigger than f2 there are a lot of iteration 1, 2, 3, that is mean compares fx1 and fx values, and that is, and x1 is equal to x2 selection level lower limit, and x opt equals to f1 setting optimizing for x for error calculation. This one is a f2 is bigger than f1 is compare fx1 and fx values, and xu is equals to f1 setting a new upper value. This x opt equals to fx2 setting optimizing x for error calculation. That fx equals to f opt calculate optimizing fx, and this is a formula error definition in the book. In the book I see the definition mean, and we will write the code, and if they run, and they will see the command window is error calculate, and iteration equals iteration plus 1 if in iteration conditions are met. A break mean is a XR means the process if conditions are met. If for finding minimum, this is the same value. If smaller than 0, then d equals to g equals to initiating minimum algorithm. This is a change ratio. This one is a change lower x values, change upper values for x value, and this one is a function value for x2. This one is x equals to x1, function value for x1, and this one is x opt equals to x2 compares f1 and f2 f2 values, sorry, and setting the new upper limit. If f2 equals bigger than f1, x1 equals to x2, and x opt equals to x1, it compares f2 and f1 values, and setting the new lower limit, f is equals to f opt value, setting the optimizing x4 error calculation. This is the iteration equals to iteration plus 1. Calculate to find the maximum in the loop. And this one is if a is a smaller than s. Error definition in the book. This one is a what is the break means? Increase the iteration number. Increase the iteration number. This one. Sorry, I supposed to I skipped this part. And this is the break, and down means compare the acceptable and lower. If condition are met, breaks out of the from the loop. This means. And this is a code, and first run, and is the command. Please enter the lower initial. And I guess this prompt means print. This is the print back. This look at the command window, and first initial lower 1 and higher values 5 and values 3, max error 4, and positive number for maximum or negative number for minimum, and 3, as this is the fx value. This is the maximum, this is the minimum lower. That's also. And this is the Gauss elimination without the pivoting. First you go to the right down, that is the matrix participation. So coefficient matrix is this 12 and minus 2, 3, and command 1, 10, minus 2, and the other one, last one is a 3, 1, and 15. B matrix is the 18, 16, and 52. B matrix, this is the position vector, that is this one, and so these things we required the size of the means vn plus 1, this one n plus 1 of the matrix. It is a n by n, that is a square matrix, so n should be pushed to n that is 0. So this one and this one should be is a square matrix, so n should be passed to n that is a 0 should be equals to column, and this one is a order n by 1. This is the initialization for x, so we assume the initial values of is equals to 0, and this one is a triangular form. We have to solve this one is a we have to solve the Gauss elimination. We say converting this coefficient matrix to the form of the per trigonal matrix, that is all elements below diagonal element are equal to 0, and this one is this column, so we just only consider a sum of the that coefficient matrix and robbed for the constant matrix, and this one is a code for back substitution to find unknown. We just require to allocate the values of set or the find out of the values of state by doing this code. It is x of n, and this one for e equal to n minus 1, command minus 1, and command 1. So this code for the u, and for n equals 1 equals to 1, this n I was first, or I choose this code is run for the 2 times, so so it is the port of the backbar substitution. This time is the run the code, so just sign and then run the, so obtain the values of the x equal to this, and so I just run sorry,